Before we start learning prenatal yoga, please make a note. All the asanas and exercises shown in my video are for normal pregnancy only, that is, pregnancy without any complications. You can start these workouts in your 4th month. Anyone with low-lying placenta or any other complications should consult your gynec before starting pregnancy yoga. If your doctor allows, it is preferred that you exercise under the supervision of a certified trainer.
नमस्ते एंड वेलकम बैक टू योग मंत्रा। मैं हूं भाविका। आज का हमारा आसन थोड़ा सा एडवेंचरस होने वाला है बिकॉज दिस आसन इज गोइंग टू बी प्रॉपर बैलेंसिंग पोज। लास्ट आसन दैट वी सॉ वाज दैट हेल्प यू बैलेंसिंग वाज त्रिकोणासना, ओके, द ट्रायंगल पोज। पर इस बार हम वृक्षासन करने वाले हैं जिसको हम बोलते हैं ट्री पोज। सो अ फुल फ्लेज बैलेंसिंग पोस्चर इन प्रेगनेंसी। A few benefits of Vrikshasana before we actually get into the asana. It helps to improve the balance and stability. It strengthens your legs and your feet, tones and strengthens your calf muscles. And also very important thing is it is going to give you a lot of confidence to balance your body as you grow into pregnancy, as your baby grows, and that's how it's going to help you. वृक्षासन करने के लिए आपको एक दीवार का हेल्प लेना होगा, that is wall support. So I'm going to use this wall support for you. We're going to start with the simplest of version. मतलब एक beginner जब start करेगा वृक्षासन से तो किस तरह से करेगा? So you're going to have your back on the wall. आपका पूरा back जो है वो दीवार को लग के होना चाहिए, मतलब आप wall support पे है और आप बिल्कुल relaxed है, okay? You're going to lift the leg up. So मैं अपना right पैर उठा रही हूँ और इस तरह से the foot has to go inwards like this और पैरों की उंगलियां नीचे है. So your feet are down, the toes are down and your heel is upwards and your knee is going to go outwards towards the wall. Inhale, back support है इसलिए आप comfortable है, hold कर सकते हैं. आप same चीज without back support भी कर सकते हैं because आपके leg almost आपके पैर नीचे है. So you can just hold the posture and breathe. A few breaths here. Release, relax. Similarly on the left leg, so I'm going to lift the leg up and just place my toes down and my heel up. Make sure the knee is going outwards towards the wall and you're holding the posture. So you're going to breathe absolutely normal and try and balance here. So ये basically आप without wall support भी कर सकते हैं. This is a very simple asana. Once you've got used to doing the first level of Vrikshasana, we're going to now take the wall support and this time we're going to lift the leg up a little more, okay? So with more confidence, I'm going to lift the leg up. आप अपना leg इस तरह से रख सकते हैं. So you're placing your foot, okay, in the inner thigh or the inner side of your left leg, okay? You can also raise it up a little higher and place it in the inner left thigh. आप सपोर्ट के साथ है इसलिए बिल्कुल आपको टेंशन नहीं है and you're absolutely relaxed, you're doing the asana well. Just make sure the knee is going outwards. Both the hands in Namaskar Mudra and you're going to hold the asana and breathe and stay there for a few breaths. Breathe and relax. You can even stretch your arms. So आप दोनों भी हाथ इस तरह से आप stretch कर सकते हैं. एक अच्छा stretch मिलेगा आपके body को जब आप इस तरह से stretch करेंगे. Exhale करते हुए हम नीचे आएंगे. Release this leg. Change. Let's go on the other side. So you're going to go lift, hold the leg, place the left foot in the inner right thigh. Make sure your body is straight with the wall support. Hands in Namaskar Mudra and breathe. A few normal breaths here. Once you feel comfortable and stable, you will stretch your arms and hold this position as well. So breathe normal. Exhale and relax. जैसे जैसे आपका कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ेगा वृक्षासन करते वक्त आप विदाउट वॉल सपोर्ट ये आसन कर सकते हैं. सो यू कैन स्टार्ट डूइंग द वृक्षासन विदाउट वॉल सपोर्ट बट मेक श्योर दैट यू आर डूइंग इट क्लोजर टू द वॉल. सो दीवार के करीब खड़े रहकर आप ये आसन करिए एंड एंजॉय द आसन. We will also see a variation in Vrikshasana. This is also with the wall support. So हम दीवार को इस तरह से अपने बैक को टच कर रहे हैं. Inhaling, I'm lifting my right leg up अपने पैर को इस तरह से ऊपर उठा रही हूँ. So जो sole of the foot has to face up to the ceiling, and you're going to lift it up closer to your thigh joint. And here you go with your hands in Namaste. Hold and breathe normal. If you're comfortable and stable here, you can stretch your arms up like how you did in Vrikshasana. Exhale, bring your hands down, release and relax. Similarly, we can also repeat it on the other side. So lifting your left leg up, placing it up, the sole of the feet facing up. Inhale, hold up and breathe. Stay here for a few breaths. You can also stretch your arms and breathe. So all with the wall support, and you are all safe and still doing Vrikshasana. Exhaling, you will release your legs and relax. Do experience this little adventure as in the Vrikshasana that we learnt just now, and let me know in the comments. अगर आपको मेरे वीडियोस अच्छे लगते हैं तो लाइक करें, शेयर करें, सब्सक्राइब करें, and don't